Are you having errors or general slowness in your menus on the PlayStation 4? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to completely factory reset your PlayStation 4, coming up next. If this is your first time watching a YourSixStudios video, make sure you leave this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. I love showing you guys tech help videos for the PlayStation 4 and live streaming on this channel. Now, before we begin, it will be very important that you know your email address and password associated with your primary PlayStation 4 account. Also, make sure you have a USB stick or external hard drive to back up your data. So when you transfer over all your data, it's not going to take hours to download it again from the internet. So factory resetting your PlayStation 4 is extremely easy. Let's go up to the top bar and scroll all the way over to the right to settings. Select settings and go all the way to the bottom. And here you will see an option called initialization. Go ahead and click on that. And go down to initialize PS4, select that. And we will be presented with two options, quick and full. Under quick it says, quickly delete data from system storage and initialize the PlayStation 4. This method might allow third parties to retrieve the data by using specialized tool. However, I would recommend full if you're having any kind of errors with your system software or operating system. Now, it says it may take several hours, but I highly doubt that. Whenever I go to rebuild my PS4 database, it says it will take several hours also. However, only takes a couple minutes. And this will delete all users and all data from your PlayStation 4, and it will be like you just bought it and started your PlayStation 4 for the very first time. So, factory resetting your PlayStation 4 is extremely easy. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, go ahead and leave me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. And check out some of the other videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.